Welcome back to David HD, everybody. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So today we're gonna add some of the American Brothers Designs pieces that I got the other day. I'm gonna walk around the car and go over some of the stuff that we're gonna change, and then I'm gonna do some parts of the install. Probably just show real quick what it looks like, because most of the stuff is plain as day. So let me just show you what we're gonna be changing. Alright, so it's nice weather-ish today. Car's a little dirty, so, but I will be replacing this badge right here. We'll be adding the piece here for the hood strut. Also gonna put a cover over the throttle body portion right here. And then we do have a plaque right here for the supercharger. So that's basically it for the inside for today. But the front, we are going to be putting another one of these on here. And then we're also going to change the one in the rear. So these are some of the parts. Throttle body cover, the hood strut. You see the SRT there, and I'll show you at the end. This is the one for the front of the car. This is the one for the rear of the car. These are the Hellcat badges. And then this is the little, pull it out of the packaging. And then this is the little supercharger badge. Okay, so I think all this stuff should come out pretty easy. I have some Goo Gone to remove any of the leftover rubber or anything on there, material. And then I have some fishing line to help with the thing, but I think I should be able to remove it. And I also have a blow dryer. So yeah, so we have basically, I think, everything that I need to be able to do this install. So we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Let's go. All right, so one of the easiest, I guess, badges you can say to install is this front one here. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the area off with some alcohol, because I looked up all the instructions and everything that it comes with, and it doesn't really have too much info, but I did find something. And it basically states that you're just supposed to stick this bad boy on right over. So we'll see how this looks, because if it looks crazy, I might not, I don't know, I'll figure something out, because I don't know if it's gonna look all bulky with it over this one. So this is the emblem here, and it's supposed to stick right over. From this angle it looks okay, so we'll see. I'm about to stick it on, and then I'll show you guys how it looks when it's done. All right, so it's pretty quick. Let's see, I don't know if the GoPro does it justice, but the thing is, the paint on it is really sparkly too. It really has a lot of shine to it. Look at it from back here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it looks good from here. So there was like a little part right here where it doesn't kind of line up all the way, by trying to line it up exactly on the letters and every other part, so you really can't see a lot of the silver. Obviously you could probably see it if you come up close, but now it just looks like a big badge. So I think I'm satisfied with it right now. If anything, you know, I'll take the whole thing off later on, but I think for right now I like the look. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so I taped off the back one, cleaned it up, and we're gonna be removing it now. I'll probably heat it up a little bit before I start pulling on it, and then we're gonna be replacing it with this one. Let's go. All right, so I took the emblem off. All you see is some of this off. I could just probably peel it off, and then I have some glue gone, so we'll go ahead and clean that up before I start adding the emblems. All right, so I don't know if you can see it. It's a little dark, but we got the badge on. So it's got that dark, that paint is like, it's spot on. Like you can't even really see it unless you come up close, but I think it looks good. The Hellcat on there, SRT. All right, so I got one of the hood struts in. You see that right there? Got the SRT with the Hellcat on there. And this is what the stock one looks like. So I think it looks a lot better. Cleans up the engine a little bit. And then I'll put the other pieces. So here's another look. So we got the hood struts in. I think they look real good, in case you didn't see earlier. All right, and I will say that they're a little difficult to first install. They do have some like rubber like sealant stuff in here to keep it like, you know, secure and tighten it up a little bit. So I did put like a little bit of lube, like some grease and stuff on it, so it could just slide right in, because it was a pain to try to squeeze it all the way in there. So that's a little tip right there that'll help out with the install. Okay, next we're gonna install the throttle body cover. It goes right here. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to move my catch can a little bit more. So I'm gonna loosen this up. I kind of loosened it up a little bit, loosen it up a little bit more, and maybe move it more like so. So that way I could fit the cover over it, and then once I put it on, then I'll reposition it so it doesn't look all crazy. So let's go ahead and knock that out. All right, so boom, we got it installed. You see it right there, throttle body cover. So one thing is, I don't know, so if I keep this straight, it kind of blocks the S a little bit, but I think I might just leave it like that, tighten it like that. It's fine. It blocks it a little bit, but I'd rather it not be all to the side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So far in the front, and now we're gonna add another little piece to the supercharger. All right, so there you go. We got one of the last pieces right here on the supercharger. The SRT Hellcat. So far, I think it's waking up the engine bay. I might stay with the blue and black theme, or I might do maybe some black and blue, and maybe some black and blue, and then blue and black. I don't know yet. Let me know what you guys think, or I might just stay with this blue, black for here, 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 and here. Maybe black cap or black or blue with the blue cap, and then vice versa. And then I think they sell one for this as well. And I'm trying to see, I don't know if you guys know any, but I'm trying to see if I can get me another cover, a different kind of cover that says something different or has a different color to it or something. So the one thing, so it's on there, the supercharger is a little warm still, but it does raise up above the supercharger, so but it is even all the way around. So I think it does look real good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, we got the side one badged off, and we're about to go ahead and install it. But to heat it up and then pull it off. By the way, I got PPF under it, so yeah, should be fun. So I'm gonna try to remove it without damaging the PPF. Here we go. So that one came out super easy. It's probably because they took it off when they did the PPF, and so it's been off, you know. But yeah, it just came straight off. And let's just compare real quick, so you can kind of see the black. This black one is actually a lot thinner, but it's solid, man. This is like, it's a metal-ish material, I guess, or hard plastic, I would assume, but it feels pretty heavy compared to this plastic one from Dodge. So yeah, I am liking it. So we'll see how it looks on the car in a little bit. All right, so now we got the black Hellcat installed. Let me know what you guys think. Pretty stealth looking. Perfect. Here's another quick look at the other side. So just a quick note, so the one that I have is cut out, right? But it doesn't have this black bolt border like this Hellcat one, the stock one has like a black border. So it's basically the silver piece on top of a black border that goes all the way around. So just consider it as just your silver piece now is just on the car. I think it looks a lot more sleeker. So I'm about to, I already cleaned this a little bit, and I'm about to tape it off and then heat it up and pull it off. It's pretty simple. I don't know, it depends on how long you've had it on there, depending on how much the backing stays on there. But for the most part, everything should be smooth.
My mom doesn't want.
Sorry about that. But it should be smooth and pretty easy to remove. All right, so we got everything installed now. So let's just recap. So we added the front badge right here, indigo blue with the black backing, throttle body cover, Hellcat right there on the top of the supercharged SRT. Okay, we added the hood struts. We added, and I don't know if you can see it, maybe I have to go with a different angle, the black Hellcat. Which now looks beast. Looks good. I am noticing now, so like, you know, because like I mentioned it is metal, some parts, so especially like drying it, I gotta make sure I pay attention because these edges are sharp. Okay, and then this one, I might have to give you a different angle another day, but the SRT in the back, you can't even see it, it's so dark. But there you go, looking good. All right, so there you guys saw, we installed a bunch of the products from American Brothers Design. I'm extremely impressed by the quality of the products from them, and I will be ordering a bunch more stuff from them maybe in the next couple weeks. So look out for that. And what I'm looking for is some more of the interior, more of the engine bay stuff. So this, that, and this. Okay, and then on the caps, all the caps. So like I mentioned before, let me know what you guys think is a better setup, flip-flopping between black with the blue, or just doing all blue with the black like this and doing all the pieces like that. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the overall look now of the car, and shoot me a comment if you got any questions on any part of the install. So with that being said, stay tuned, stay safe, stay blessed.